Ready ji, exercise number 107, 108 and 106. Gentlemen, comma, we think we are in a position to assist you to tell in what circumstances, direction for your promotion work may best be extended, full stop, as you are no doubt aware our organization has given many years of attention to problems of distribution of every description, and the information in our possession is very reliable, full stop and para. We believe that you would find a discussion of the problem with our Mr. Jones of value to you. अच्छा जी, आखिरी वर्ड कौन सा लिखा हमने?
टू यू पैरा आगे
He will be glad to receive an invitation from you to call, full stop, very truly yours, comma and para. Dear sir, comma, with the small amount of information in our possession, we are unable to give you a definite decision on your application of a loan, full stop. You make no mention at all of any provision for expansion at your present factory, nor do you tell us if you have any intention of asking over the operation of more machines, full stop. However, we believe that the proposition is certainly worth discussion, although action must, of course, wait till you supply us with additional information about your plans, full stop. We suggest that you call at our office sometime during the next few days to permit us to go over every detail of the situation with you, yours truly, comma and para. Gentlemen, comma, because of our decision to erect a building of our own, we shall not be in a position to renew our lease when it expires next year. Full stop. Permit us to take this occasion to thank you for the many countries you have always
सर कंट्रीज है
extended to us. Full stop and para. Preparations for the erection of our new offices and sales rooms are going ahead nicely, but there is just a chance that our new building building may not be ready before the expiration of our lease. Full stop. We wish to make provisions for any unexpected delays, and if you do not object, we should like to have our permission to remain in this building if necessary for not more than 3 months at the present rental. Full stop. We hope you will have no objection to this arrangement. Full stop. Very truly yours and close.